your dad.
Yes.
Yung role mo dito sa movie, ano din, close to your heart kasi parent din yung inuuwian mo.
Yeah.
So tell us more about yung love for parents sa ano.
Yeah. I think yun din, that's something I'm very similar to Trisha with. Parang yung obedient daughter na gagawin mo lahat to please a parent. I think that was the upbringing I had, or maybe most Filipinos talaga relate to that eh. Yung magkanda-ugaga ka na to do anything it takes to make your parents happy. That's such a Filipino trait na you'll see super funny scenes here of Andrea selling our things in one of the scenes na hirap for me to let go of those things kasi mga keepsakes ko siya for my family. So, I love that scene specifically kasi that's one thing I relate to so much. Every time umuwi ako from London, kahit na ilang buwan lang, kakauwi ko lang, ganun na naman karami yung pasalubong na iniimbak ko para iuwi sa pamilya ko and parents. So parang, I feel like na yun naging joy natin as children. I'm sure you guys can relate also. Same with my mom and my dad. It was always my joy to make them comfortable, make them happy, whatever they ask for, as much as possible kung kaya ko ibigay. Kahit maliit or malaki, kung alam ko kasi lambing na nila yun eh. Kahit alam kong hindi naman gagamitin minsan or papamigay din naman nila. You know, like, it's such a Filipino trait to always say yes to our parents. So yeah, that's when I was reading Trisha's character, na-realize ko nga, ang laki man ng differences naming dalawa dito sa part na to, we're very similar also. Yeah.
Tapos curious lang ako, ngayong Pasko syempre, yung heart mo full of love for your family.
Yeah.
How about anything ba, wala bang sisingit na something hindi
May kilala ba kayo? Mas wala pa rin eh.
Wala.
Wala pa rin.
Nahiya ka pa.
Ang tanong, may boyfriend ka na ba?
Pasimple pa.
Wala pa nga direct. Ay, may kilala naman kayo dyan. Wala pang time, sunod-sunod kasi. Alam niyo ba, when they pitched this to me, I came from Showtime. Literally, after Showtime, 3 p.m., 3:30, nag-zoom kami na sa kotse ako. And then I had one last shooting day with Carlo, kunwari on a Tuesday. Wednesday, I had to change my hair for this movie. Thursday, I flew out to Bangkok. So, kung meron mang tao siguro out there, hindi kami nagkikita kasi araw-araw na naman ako nagtatrabaho. It's my fault. Oo, kasalanan ko po. So, sorry, maghintay ka muna dyan kung sino ka man. As a working girl muna tayo naman.
Okay, let's go to Miss Leia from Philippine Star.
Hi, Leia.
Hi, Derek. Hi, Post London. Hi, Bella.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yeah, can I ask Direk, Eric, and Dondon first, how did this project land on your lap? I mean, was this offered as a full project right away? Directed by Gina?
Nagkuhan kami, nag-lock in sa Cotto Mines for Bypass for more than a month.
When was that? Direk?
That was around May, June.
This year, alright.
This year. And then, walang internet doon. Lagi namamatay kuryente, minsan namamatay tubig. So, si Michiko actually threw it on the table one day na kami ni Don na parang, grabe no, iba rin pala pag walang internet, parang okay din pakiramdam mo, wala kang gustong chicken, kasi alam mo kung wala kang gustong makausap. Kasi habang tumatagal kami doon, nakalimutan na rin kami ng lahat na nagme-message, di ba? So that's when we started toying with the idea. It was Michiko who actually started the idea.
She wrote the script.
No. She just pitched the idea. And then, we were looking for, so who's gonna do it? Nag-discuss kami ni Don. Naisip lang namin, because it's a multi-character ensemble film, and we asked several writers, the pitching, the brainstorming of the script, we had 8 people, writers, basically. on a round table, throwing ideas on anong character kaya yung pag nawala ng internet, interesting. Meron. No? Ang daming ideas. There's probably 20 plus stories that we picked out. And then from there, inisa-isa namin yung palibot ng OFW. Kasi may mga basic naman, no? Kailangan may OFW tayo na story, and then eventually paikutin natin. Alam mo yan? No? So, from 15 stories, bumaba hanggang sa mga 8 stories, no? So, who can do that? We thought of Jade because he's a writer, director. So, when isusulat na yung script, we got 3 writers, magkakaibang tono, gusto namin magkaiba yung tono, and then Jade, being a writer himself, will pull together the script and make sense of it. Parang gano'n.